Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Skype application. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the Skype application if you already have it on your PC. If you don't, you'll need to go and open whatever browser you are currently using or working for you. Once you open this, go to the URL section and type download Skype application. Once you did that, you will need to hit the enter button, go to the first link, start downloading the application. Of course, some of you will ask me like, why are you telling us how to download the Skype and we want to delete our account? So maybe some of you will want just to delete an account and create a new one. So of course, once it's downloaded, those steps of downloading will be pretty simple because you must have been already downloaded something in your PC before. It will be the same steps. And once you did that, once it downloaded, install it and open it up, and they will actually ask you to log in into your account. And just log in into your account. Maybe even if you don't have an account, you can create one. Again, you wouldn't even like to create an account if you want to delete your accounts. Maybe you already have an account, but whatever. But once you did one of these options, you'll find yourself with the home screen or the main screen. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to delete our account. So of course, once you are at Skype, click at the top left corner, three dots here, and go to settings. Then you would like to scroll down scroll down here until you find this close your account, which is delete your Microsoft account. If you click on that, you'll need to wait a bit until this appears, which is the Microsoft account. As you can see, you are already signing into your account, but they will ask you to sign in again. So just go and sign in again. Just enter your email address and they will ask you to verify your email address or phone number, whatever you typed in, they will ask you to verify it. So make sure to do that by the code that they will send you, and of course just follow the steps of deleting your accounts. They will just ask you to click a button and confirm it, and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.